Seeing a lot of debate about police de-escalation training. Let me tell you what works and what doesn't, from someone who taught it for 15 years. What doesn't work? 8-hour seminar, where someone lectures about verbal judo and calming techniques. Officers go back to the street. Nothing changes. What works? Scenario-based training. You practice getting yelled at. You practice confused people. You practice mental health crisis. You practice making mistakes and correcting them. Here's the part people miss. De-escalation isn't soft. It's strategic. It's I'm going to solve this without anyone getting hurt, including me. The best de-escalators I supervised weren't the nicest officers. They were the most confident. They didn't need to prove authority because they had it. Training works when it's realistic, repeated, and evaluated. One seminar? That's checking a box. Want better policing? Demand better training. Actual training. Let's lower the temperature.